Okay, so we got the bar champion. Alright, give it the old one. Okay. Okay, so here we got the yeah, that's yeah, that's that. That's yeah. Alright, so that's coming out. What the heck is this even thing? What does this even thing do? Let's give it a shot. Nope. Okay, so now we're gonna get these little tabby boys out. That and that. Got lucky, there's a flat spot. Awesome. This guy gonna come out. Okay, we're gonna get the stock damper off. There we go, that's the stock damper. These are super neat, turns out. If they're not seized, that they do a lot of work. And this is actually supposed to, like, oh yeah, this one's still got the squish in it. It like does all this like twisting. So yeah, as we can see, we get on the head of this bolt. Oh, we're moving. Awesome. Free it up in there, buddy. Okay, so now we go after these two guys. Oh man, gotta get the wrench on everything in here. Maybe 17 or something. Very good. Oh, you're very good. You were just a treat. I saw you turn. Yeah, Milwaukee just doesn't bring enough beans. Still struggled. Still struggled. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Alright, hopefully don't go too far. Okay. Now we got off. I put it back in for not losing it measure, and then hopefully we get just enough room. Cool. And now we'll go to the top. On the top, even though we got the strut bar here. Okay, one. Get this guy out of the way. Excellent. Boom. Yeah. Excellent. And you're already loose. Jeez. Cocked it right over. Not good. Not good. Okay, so I'm gonna undo this nut, and the shock is just gonna pop out. Let's see if we can get a good angle of that. Nope. Right out. Very good. There you go. Yo, look at how oblong that became. That's how it's supposed to be. Something not right with that plate.